Bakit ba ang Muslim hindi kumakain ng pork?
Because that is expressly prohibited. Yan ay merong injunction sa Quran. Actually, kung titignan natin, sa hindi lang sa Muslim pinagbawal ang pork. That is, pork is forbidden to all mankind. If you look at the Bible, the book of Leviticus, that is chapter 11, verses 7 to 8, these are the Bibles that our Christians are using, pinagbawal sa kanila ang pork.
Ano talaga yung meaning ng halal? Na ganun yung question nila sa akin na bakit daw yung shampoo may halal? Di lang naman about pagkain po yung halal.
Yes, halal food is from farm to plate.
Yes.
Ako nga, iba pa definition ko dyan, is from the soil to the stomach.
Anything that harms you is considered
Haram.
Haram
You
or
take
Yes.
it from the word
permissible.
harm.
Harm.
Haram. Wala namang kasing ipagbabawal sa atin kung walang reason. Because halal is for
Everyone.
everyone.
Yes.
It's a universal standard.
Opo.